And for now, I'm using OPPO Reno, and today I'll show you how to enable the night mode. So if you pull down the notification panel, do it once more to extend it, and you will see the night shade or night shield, I should say. And once you tap on it, you can enable it now or schedule a time, which is a nice touch that you can actually choose which one you want. And we can just select schedule it now, and it will take you to the settings. And if you already missed that button before and let's say selected to enable it now and it doesn't give you that option again, you can just hold that button longer and it will take you back to the settings that we are right now in. And from here you can select schedule and then select start and end time. So at the moment it's set to 10 p.m. and turns off at 7 a.m. next day. So that is how it would work. So we can actually change that time right now to, for instance, I'm not really sure if I'm set to 11 p.m. or a.m. So I guess we're just gonna wing it and select it p.m. maybe. So 39, select to 40, and that is basically the time it will start. So then you can choose the warmth of it. You can also select here to enable it now, but that would kind of defeat the purpose of selecting a schedule time. So now if we go out and AM, maybe I can change it in time. Okay, so now once 11:40 comes up, it will automatically turn on. As you can see, it's going kind of yellowish, and that is basically how this function works. It makes less of a blue light harsh display, and that's also help you kind of sleep. There is no other like true, for instance, dark mode on here. It's just the night shield, although it would be nice to have other ways. So yeah, that is basically how you enable it or set up a schedule for it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.